Good morning, students. In this class, we will see about the kangaroo mother care. Kangaroo mother care, in short, we call it as a KMC. It's a special way of caring of low birth weight babies. It improves the health of the baby. Kangaroo mother care refers to the presence of the practice of providing continuous skin-to-skin contact between mother and baby, exclusive breastfeeding, and early discharge from the hospital. Babies kept continuously in the skin-to-skin contact with the mother and breastfeeding exclusively. It was first prepared by Ray and Martis in the Bogota, Colombia, where it was developed as an alternative to inadequate and insufficient incubator care for those who preterm newborn infants who had overcome initial problems and required only to feed and grow. WHO recommendations. The KMC is recommended for routine care of newborn weighing 2000 gram or less at birth and should be initiated in the healthcare facilities as soon as the newborns are clinically stable. Intermittent KMC rather than conventional care is recommended for newborns weighing 2000 gram or less at birth if a continuous KMC is not possible. Key factors include early, continuous, and prolonged skin-to-skin contact between mother and the baby. Exclusive breastfeeding is initiated in the hospital and can be continued at home. Small babies can be discharged early. Mothers at home require adequate support and follow-up. It is gentle, effective method that avoids agitation routinely experienced in a busy ward with preterm infants. Components of three components: kangaroo position, that is skin-to-skin contact; kangaroo nutrition, that is exclusive breastfeeding; kangaroo early discharge and regular follow-up. Advantages: benefits to the baby, to the mother, family, and to the nation. To the baby include to prolong skin-to-skin contact with the mother, facilitate physiological stability in the baby. It reduces apnea, oxygen requirement, and risk of infection. It helps in early discharge of babies from the NICU. Benefits to the mother: better infant-mother bonding. Mother is less stressed during KMC as mother is more actively involved in the care. To the family, it is economical to the family, promotes early discharge of the baby, it facilitates bonding between the baby, mother, and the family. To the nation, it decreases neonatal infant mortality rate and morbidity. It is simple, easily applicable, and cost effective, result in healthier and more intelligent babies. Procedures: preparing for KMC. When the baby is ready for KMC, the mother and family members should be counseled so that positive attitude is created for KMC. Mother should provide with a front open gown and baby dress with cap, sock, nappy, and front open sleeveless shirt. Baby should be placed between mother's breast in upright position and baby's head should be turned to one side. Hips should be flexed and abduction in a frog position that the arms should be flexed. Baby's abdomen should be at the level of mother's epigastrium. The mother should be explained how to breastfeed while the baby is in KMC position. Monitoring: babies receiving KMC should be monitored carefully, especially in the initial stages. The mother's need during KMC include 2 or 4 bedrooms, reasonable size, so the mothers can stay day and night, live with the baby, share experience, support and companionship. At the same time, they can have private visit without disturbing the others. The room should be equipped with comfortable beds and chairs for the mothers, if possible adjustable or with enough pillows to maintain upright or semi-recumbent position for resting and sleeping. Curtains will help to ensure privacy. Room should be warm for small babies. Mothers also need bathroom facilities. They should have a nutritious meal and place to eat. Another warm, smaller room would be useful for the individual work with mothers, discussion of private and confidential issues, and for reassessing the babies. Thank you. Thank you for listening.